Hey everybody, we're back if you're new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Coco's over there. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today I am super excited. I actually just filmed all of this, but I was not filming. So we're gonna do it again and actually film it this time. So super excited. We're doing an empty house tour. Right now we're having an inspection on the house, and if it all goes well, then this will be our house. We will be buying this house, so I'm super excited. Let's do an empty house tour now, because if we don't do it now, it's not gonna get done. Okay, let's go to the front door. We'll start at the very beginning, the entrance. This is the front door. Well, this is the front door. This is the screen. That's not a screen because it's glass. So you walk in, you have some stairs. This is super cushy. I wanted to remove it because I thought, like, that looks ugly, but apparently people love it, so we're not gonna remove it. Because we're not gonna keep this house forever. Anyway, you walk into a hallway and you have this closet, which apparently this is a crawl space and it goes down to earth. It scared the shit out of me when I first opened it, but this is a closet for stuff, and then you have a kitchen. Kitchen is ginormous. Okay, you have a desk, you have cabinets, you have like a billion cabinets, 9-foot ceilings. It feels so spacious. I'm gonna put our bar stools here, and then I'm gonna put my coffee bar here for now. So I'm gonna put my coffee bar here with a TV on it. We have space for a table, but we don't actually have a table, and I need somewhere for my coffee bar, so that's gonna happen for now. And then we have a basic kitchen, but we're gonna change out, like, look how dated this looks. It looks super dated. This is actually a really nice fridge, but it's white, so we're gonna change the appliances to stainless steel. And then we have this, which at first I was like, this is stupid. Why is this a thing? But I can see the convenience in it. I don't know if it's a popular thing, but it's like a lazy Susan pantry thing. So, oh shit. Okay, there we go. So if you want something from this side, you can grab it by just flipping it, and then you have cabinets all back there. But I feel like, okay, you put your spices on these shelves, right? If you close the door too hard, it's just gonna fall, right? And then you have these things, which I don't love, but apparently, you know, from doing some research, they seem popular, so I guess we'll keep them. And this house has hooks everywhere, which is kind of weird. They hooked a lot of stuff. Then you have cabinets here. Let's go into the garage, which is, it's just a garage. Just a basic garage. That door leads out to the back. They're gonna remove this stuff. And then let's go into the living room and the bathroom. Y'all, I thought I filmed this whole video already, and it was not freaking recording. Okay, so from the kitchen, you have a door here, and then from the hallway, you have a door here leading into the living room. Oh, yeah, you're gonna open the door for us? Here you have a closet. It looks like it was a closet right here. Not a closet, but it looks like it was a pole right here and it was just a coat closet. But I think they made their own shelves there. Then you have living room, 2 ceiling fans, fireplace, it's a gas fireplace, and then a pretty dated bathroom that we're gonna update with just fixtures, change the lighting and this stuff here. Then you have, this is our space all right here. I believe this is our little bit of land, and I'll put the swing set there. And then it leads out to, hello. Leads out to the screened in patio. So you have a screened in porch, and it kind of has like this elevated, goes up some, so it seems a little bigger, I guess. And then you have this plank of wood. It's like, why is this wood here? So I'm gonna see with the homeowners association if we can put a railing so it seems less like a thing of wood that they just threw on the floor. And then yes, that is the neighbor's house, so I hope they don't come outside often because I don't want them in my space. And then this right here is actually, this is the sunroom for the other neighbor, and I met her. She's a little old lady and she's Italian and she was super sweet. Let's go upstairs. Okay, we're upstairs. Now you have, is this like a motion light? I don't know, but I'm not mad at it. Then you have this room, which I think is the smallest of the rooms. This would be my man's room. I think his bed would fit here. It's a full-size bed, so I think it would fit here, and then he could put like his toy stand and TV and stuff there. I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. And then you have this thing right in front of the window, which I'm not mad at, but why is there carpet on it? I don't love that. It's weird. And then over here, you have a closet. It's just a basic closet, but it is bigger than the closet he has now, so that's a plus. This room, though, does not have a ceiling fan, which I don't love. And then let's go into this one. This room is bigger. Okay, got the light working. This does have a ceiling fan. The room is a little bigger, and the closet is the same as his. Let me see here. How would the girls' room be situated? I think we would put the bunk bed right here, and then maybe Coco's bed right here. They don't really have, they have one toy chest, which is not, it's not big at all. So it could probably just go right there. Then we get into, this is the washer and the dryer. There's no light in here. Oh, there is a light. How do we turn the light on? There's a light up there. Can you see it? There is a light. Ah, okay. Light switch turns on the light. So washer and dryer, we would bring our own because ours actually look better than these. And then I was thinking maybe we put like a cabinet here, and then 2 shelves, because I definitely need more space, because this, we're used to a walk-in laundry room, an actual room. This is not it, so we're gonna need to find some organizational shit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, then this is just the hot water heater, so nothing fancy there. I love that you have a dual system, so upstairs and downstairs, you can do that how you want. Then you get into a bathroom. These fixtures aren't that dated. These are, it looks like they updated these. And then you have a closet here. I think what I would do with this closet is probably just put a fresh coat of paint on this and on the walls, because it does look dated. You can't tell. I feel like on camera it looks yellow. It's supposed to be white, but you do have some staining stuff happening. So I feel like that would be an easy, quick update. Basic bathroom. Nothing fancy. What is that? Weed? Is that marijuana? Anyway, basic bathroom. Maybe I would put a frame around the mirror, because that'd be a simple fix. And then you have a shower. Nothing fancy. And a window. I'd definitely change this, because this is like so grandma to me. This gives me Golden Girl vibes, which is not a bad thing, but I don't want it in my house. When I tell y'all I am excited to show you my room, I mean I am mother effing freaking excited, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so you walk in. So, here's the bathroom, the girls' room, laundry room, the man's room, my room. Or is this my bedroom? It is not my bedroom. You walk in, turn the light on with the switch. This is actually my sitting room. This is my sitting room, okay? So that is the door. And this is the sitting room. Okay, so again, you have this weird thing, which I don't know what this is. I don't love it, okay? But you have it there. And you have 2 cutouts for your window, right? So this is actually gonna be where I film at. So what I think my plan is, what is my plan? I don't know. I don't really want the windows in my area. So I think what we're going to do is set the desk up here. The lights will be right here. And then I'll put another light on the side, because we'll have light coming in from this side, so there's not much shadows. And then I'll put my makeup, you know, wherever, like dresser here, IKEA, Alex drawers over here. But anyway, so this is the sitting room. You have this little hallway. You have an attic. I've not gone up there because I'm scared. And you have a walk-in closet. This is actually bigger than I remember. I do hate the yellow lights. I'm gonna have to change the lights to daylight light bulbs, which will be kind of pricey to change all of them, but I'm gonna have to do it because I hate that. This is significantly bigger than I remember it being when we came before. Honestly, I mean, I could really just film in this damn closet. I think to update this, what I would do is paint this white, because they look horrible, or do something, stain it, and then repaint the shelves and everything, and that would be it. But this is really a lot bigger than I remember. Okay, then, anyway, carry on down the hallway. Another closet, because there is no closet in the hallway for blankets or towels, so I guess that's why you have one here and in the bathroom. But again, I would just repaint these things to clean it up. What is this? Ceramic covering. Removable. So is this a peel and stick thing? And I think they were just gonna put it over those. Okay, I don't know if I want the peel and stick. Anyway, let's get to it. You have a step, okay? We're gonna step up into the bedroom. Hello, sitting room in my bedroom. We have now stepped up into the bedroom. Okay, so you have this again with the weird carpet thing happening, but you have this. You have a bedroom. The sitting room is bigger than my bedroom now, okay? Then you have this room here. So if you come over here, you see out to the back, that's the neighbors. They have a big ass deck. Their house is big. I looked it up on Zillow. Anyway, I'm probably gonna put my desk, my skincare desk right here because it's a little small IKEA desk and there's a plug. So I'll probably put it here. If it fits this way, I'll put it this way. I think it might be just a little bit too long for that way. So I'll put it right here. That's my skincare desk. What is this? Oh, home alarm. Okay, get some ADT going. Okay, so you have a ceiling fan. So what I'm thinking is we don't have a headboard. We use our TV as a headboard, honestly. So you put our bed in the middle, put the TV on that wall. I am actually gonna have space to get a nightstand. I have not had a nightstand since we had kids. Since we moved from Japan, I don't even think I had a nightstand in Japan. So I've never had a nightstand, okay? So let's put it that way. I can actually get a nightstand now. And then my dresser is actually pretty big, so I don't think it's gonna fit there. So maybe we'll put it here, depending on how much room there is, or put it along this wall. And then I think I'll put my perfumes and stuff on there. Because right now on the dresser it's actually our desktop computer. So our house is kind of in disarray. Anyway, you have a step here. Let's go down this step. What's in here, y'all? It's a motherfucking bathroom. Oh, hi, Tita. So this is actually really, this bathroom was done pretty nicely. The fixtures are nice. I wouldn't even change that. I love this mirror thing here because y'all know I gotta pick at my face and stuff, so obsessed with that. And then you have a bathroom. Obviously you have a bathroom, we're in it. I meant you have a bathtub. I would probably re-grout this just to clean it up because I don't know if my soft scrub would work there. And then you have a huge, humongous tub. You step up, and you're in the tub. I could bathe all my kids. If you've been with us for a while, you know occasionally we would go to Vegas. Before Papa passed away, we would go to Vegas, basically just to see him. But we would get a really nice room with a nice tub. That was my thing. All the kids are coming now. So this tub is like, yes, huge soaking tub. I love it. I can put my computer, watch TV. What's this doing? Follow my face, please. So I love it. I can put my computer right here. I can watch TV. I can do my thing. I can relax. I can soak. I am obsessed with this. I will say, let me show you. That's a little dated, so we're definitely gonna change that. But I like it. You have a step. I mean, I'll probably kill myself at some point trying to get out of this bathtub with this step. But I mean, I love a little cabinet here, nothing special. But then you go back up your step, boom, you're in your bedroom, which is massive. And then you walk out of your bedroom and you know what? Boom, you're in your sitting room, which is now your studio. Honestly, I could clear that closet out and put a kid in there. Boom, there's your room. So that's it. That's our house tour. If you follow us on Instagram, you know I've mentioned some really exciting things coming up, but I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want to jinx it and it wasn't for sure. The kids won't leave me alone. It's like, why do they even have bedrooms? Because they're just going to go wherever I'm at anyway. So I never wanted to say anything because even right now, it's not for sure. It all depends on how this inspection goes. So fingers crossed that it goes well and then this will be our house and I'm excited for that. If you're seeing this, then it went well and this is our house. Let's end this. I look like crap, I'm sweating. I said let's end this and then I keep talking. We actually drove up here because this place is an hour and a half without traffic from our current house. It took us 2 hours because we drove during traffic, so almost 2 hours to get here. So we drove up the night before. So last night we drove up, we stayed in a hotel because we had to be here early in the morning for this inspection. But I'm excited. I feel like there's some good things, you know, coming for us and it's nice to see. I don't fucking know, dude. It's nice to see things happening, okay? Anyway, let's end this. Do you want to do it with me? Come on. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Oh wait, click the bell and all those good things. Bye. Hi, Yaya.
Hi.
Hi. You like this house, Yaya?
I want to stay here.
You want to stay here?
Yeah, with Mom.
You want to stay in here with Mama? Ah, this is going to be where Mama's going to film. Yay! You want to go in here?
In the back.
In the bathroom? No. You're going to get in the tub? Hold my hand. Careful. There you go. That's a big old bathtub, yeah?
I'm taking a shower.
Oh, you're going to take a shower? That's a big bathtub. You and Coco could fit in there.
No, I'm not taking
Now I can finally give two kids a bath at the same time. Oh, your socks got dirty. We got to clean the floors in here. No, we don't wear shoes in the house, so maybe we should have today.
They'll do big.
Yeah, there's space.
Yeah, these women go get it.
Yeah? Come on, let's go downstairs. Hold Mama's hand.
Let's go.
Let's go.